business health check and diagnosis. Is your business healthy or is it just surviving? Nearly half of small businesses aren't profitable, and in fact, many small businesses earn less profit than the minimum wage. Unhealthy businesses, they create stress, financial pressure, and burnout. The symptoms are very clear: long hours, low profit, constant firefighting, and you just don't enjoy being there. Take these 7 steps to move away from an unhealthy business. We need to find out, well, how healthy is your business? The first step we need to do is stop the bleeding, fix the urgent issues. There are big issues in your business. We need to address them first. There is no point trying to window dress and band-aid approach. We need to fix the big issues that are causing your business to bleed cash flow and fix those urgently. We need to then clean up and repair some of the systems and processes that are not working in your business that are causing issues. Once we've identified those issues, the systems and processes that are not working, we can clean them up, repair them, but we need to monitor, are the new processes, are the changes we've made working correctly? We need to monitor the recovery. And in monitoring the recovery, one of the things that we need to do is correct some of the bad habits that we've built up over many years of running our business. We need to correct those bad habits and make sure that we are sticking to the new plan. We need to strengthen those business muscles, those new muscles that we are working on. Just like you go to a gym to improve your muscle strength, you need to work on your business muscles. And when you do that, you'll build resilience for the future of your business. So we need to address the bleeding, we need to fix the big issues, we need to move forward by designing a new way of doing business, and we need to work on that and not fall back into the bad habits. We need to strengthen our muscles and work on building resilience. So how do you start? Where do you get started? Download the free diagnostic, take the questionnaire, get your free report, and it'll identify the key areas that you need to work on first to fix your business. It's a business health check that you need to grow your business and to move on from where you are now to a successful, prosperous, and thriving business.